Hey, Jess Martinson here for SureCoat Systems. We're going to talk a little bit about these roof flashings for the turbines and some of the other roof flashings that are on these commercial flat and low slope roofs. So if you look down here today, you're going to see the cracks in the mastic around the perimeter of this turbine flashing, or the guys that went through and marked these that need to be repaired. So we're actually just starting this project now where we're going to be sealing all these, repairing and sealing them with the SureCoat and the fabric. This is something that we do all the time, especially those of you who have watched the video about doing the partials or doing the roof in phases. There's a couple of those buildings in this industrial park that we've done that on, and those videos are on SureCoat's website. So take a look at those. It's a way to save your customer money and a lot of headaches. So as you'll see when these things are done, right, we've got fabric and coating out into the roof at least 6 to 8 inches out on the flat roof part of it. Also, as you look at the wear of the roof surface here, if we pan back towards Jeff, who's running the camera today again. So these areas right here, when you start seeing these felts that are exposed like this and they're dry like this, those are leaks, right? If you put a Ryland test tube on those and put water in them, all those spots leak. So when these start showing up, they end up all across the roof surface, and that's one of your indicators that it's time to coat the roof and save this roof instead of having it end up in the landfill at a lot of extra cost. So thanks for tuning in. If you got questions, call Jeff and Mo at SureCoat Systems. Thank you.